Alright guys, welcome to another travel trip. अभी थोड़ा सा क्राउडेड जगह पे हूँ, so please manage. I have to wear the mask because I'm in front of the Bangalore International Airport, which is also known as Kempegowda International Airport. So the time update is 7:30 in the evening and I'm heading towards New Delhi. जिसके बाद मैं न्यू दिल्ली से फिर अपने जहाँ पे मेरा घर है एक्चुअली विच इज़ नोएडा, तो वहाँ पे जाऊँगा. So my flight is somewhere around 11 o'clock in the evening, but as it was mentioned in the ticket that I have to arrive like somewhere around 3 hours before the departure. So that's why it's 7:30 now and I have to check in as well behind. So this vlog, what is all about is how the airport and all the culture over here has changed in this pandemic situation. What all changes is there? First of all, the change is in the baggage. As you can see, I have pasted a baggage sticker instead of the baggage tag that they will provide, because it was mentioned that either you can take the printout of it or you can actually write the PNR number and from where to where you are going with your phone number over there. So I have mentioned all of the things that was actually asked to write manually on the bag. And as you can see, most of the people are now wearing the PPE kit. However, I'm just wearing a Quechua raincoat, which will act as what the PPE kit do, because it's again a waterproof thing and will not do the respiratory of the virus into my body. It can't actually penetrate through it. That's what I know. बाकी तो वायरस को ही पता होगा. So now, without wasting any time, let's head towards the check-in or the departure section, and let's see what all difficulty or what all struggle do we have to face in this pandemic situation. So let's go. Just before leaving from here, I just want to inform that to arrive or to enter the Delhi, you don't have to do any formalities like e-pass or any Seva Sindhu app or anything which you while coming from Delhi to Karnataka have to do. फॉग देख लो चश्मे पे. ये मास्क पहनने वाले और चश्मे पहनने वालों के में बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत है यार ये. बट एनी हाउ वी हैव टू मैनेज दिस. बहुत ज़्यादा फॉग हो जाता है चश्मे पे यार. अगर एक जगह खड़े होकर के आप बोल रहे हो ना, तो इट विल बी अ मेस. बाकी अभी दिल्ली जाने के लिए हमें कोई फॉर्मेलिटी नहीं करनी थी, ई पास और समथिंग एज वाज सेइंग. तो नथिंग एज सच, बस चेक इन करते हैं, देन लेट्स वेट फॉर द फ्लाइट. ओके जी, तो फाइनली बैगेज ड्रॉप कर दिया है मैंने एंड नाउ आई हैव टू प्रोसीड फॉर द सिक्योरिटी चेक इन. सॉरी फॉर द स्वेट एंड द डिसरप्टिव लुक, बिकॉज थोड़ी सी मेहनत करनी पड़ी एंड आई वाज जस्ट doing an interview as well for the Indigo personnel named Vinayak. He was very helpful actually, I must say yaar. They are doing their duty at their best. Hats off to the Indigo people really, but थोड़ा सा डर तो रहता ही है सब में because of the situation, but you people are doing a great job, I must say. From the very first point when I was entering into the airport, तो वहाँ पे there was a automated machine where you have to remove your face guard and the mask. It will scan the temperature. It was regular temperature. Then I proceeded to the security point where you have to show the ticket to the CISF people. Over there as well, it was behind the glass shield, the security personnel. You have to remove the mask, have to verify your identity, and then they let you in. As soon as I came inside this particular lobby where I'm sitting right now, so over here the flight personnel came to me and asked whether you are from whether your flight is for Indigo or for SpiceJet, because these are the two flights that are operating tonight. And they guided me how to pull out the baggage tag for your check-in luggage, and it was zero touch process actually, because there are automated vending machines over there in which you have to just fill in your PNR number, have to put in the identification thing, either your Aadhaar card or something, and then it will print you out the boarding pass, or not the boarding pass, the baggage tag. And you have to just peel it off and have to stick it on your check-in baggage, and have to submit it onto the counter number 23 and 24, which is for Indigo. और उसके बाद then you have to proceed for the security check-in, which I'm going for right now. But I must say that they are navigating and routing the customer very well, although the customer flow is not that much right now, but still they are managing it efficiently. अभी customer का वो बढ़ता है, तो I'm not sure how they will be capable of, whether they will plot some more personnel over here or not. But right now there are 2 people over there, and they are managing and doing their stuff very, very efficiently. Hats off to them, and hats off to Indigo, and hats off to CISF and all the security in charge which are managing and keeping the airport clean. Let's hope I should not get contaminated, although my hands are bare. I have to just go to the loo. After that I will wash off my hands, and then we'll wear the gloves, and let's hope for the best. What else I can say, but let's hope for the best. बाकी थोड़ा सा कैमरा हैंडलिंग का प्रॉब्लम हुआ हो, अगर ऊपर से सर्वर कट गया हो तो प्लीज़ माफ़ कर दीजिएगा, बिकॉज दिस specs are getting fogged because of my exhale is actually getting routed to the specs because of this mask. इसको ज़्यादा नीचे नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं, तो इसकी वजह से मुझे खुद दिखाई नहीं दे रहा कि मैं कैमरा में कैसा दिख रहा हूँ. Hope you can understand. The person who wears specs obviously would be able to understand my problem. So without wasting any time further, let's move to the check-in. मुझे लगता है सब कुछ जल्दी हो जाएगा, but still, why to waste time? Let's get checked in. Alright guys, so finally I have checked in, and now I'm waiting in the lounge in front of the gate to board the flight. What all exceptions were there were, first of all, they are allowing you to enter with a bottle full of water. 1 liter or half liter doesn't matter, so there isn't any restriction because it's safe to carry your own water. Second thing is that the sealed beverages like the mixture packet, the biscuit packet, and the cake packet, and everything which is sealed is again allowed into the cabin baggage that you are taking along with you. So you can actually carry now the food along with you, because there is no food provided in the flight. Also, it is recommended that you fill in your water bottle before boarding the flight, because they won't be providing the water even inside the flight. So the time update is 8:20 now, and I'm getting highly irritated because of this fogging thing on my specs. It's too much irritating. And the other reason for sweating is because of this raincoat. This is not breathable. I'm not sure what's the experience inside the PP kit, but in this raincoat it's actually hot and humid inside. In the Bangalore weather, where the temperature is right now 27 degrees Celsius, still because of this particular kit, not the kit actually, the raincoat that I'm wearing, it's very hard, very, very hard actually. Let me check whether I would eat those things over here or inside the flight. I'm not sure, but खाना तो है. Flight में prefer करूँगा यार, because I would have a tray in front of me where I could put those things and could chew it up. Let's now wait for the flight. Alright boys and girls, यहाँ पे सबको इंडिगो की तरफ से पीपी किट बांटा जा रहा है, and all of them are getting dressed in white. So free PPE kit is provided from Indigo. The person who you see are in white is provided from Indigo. So Let's hope best for the safety. Guys, finally we have landed and the time update is 1:45 in the night. So just behind me is the belt number 3 on which we are actually waiting for our luggage. Actually I'm waiting for my luggage, so it's hardly another 10 minutes left. थोड़ा सा इस असीम शांति वाली जगह से बाहर निकल करके बात करते हैं। देखिए बहुत ज़्यादा शांति है। ओके गाइस, सो फाइनली वी हैव केम आउट ऑफ द एयरपोर्ट। और अगर व्लॉग एंड करना है पब्लिक एरिया है तो मास्क में ही एंड करना पड़ेगा। आई वुड जस्ट वांटेड टू शो यू एक्चुअली हाउ द सिचुएशन इज़ ओवर हियर, कि अभी क्या परिस्थितियां हैं और एयरपोर्ट का हाल कैसा है। अभी रात का इतना लेट हो चुका है, इसीलिए आई हैव कॉल्ड माई फ्रेंड टू पिक मी अप फ्रॉम हेयर एंड ड्रॉप मी टिल नोएडा, तो जिसमें 1 घंटा और लगेगा। बट आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू शेयर सम क्वालिटी टाइम विद माई फ्रेंड, क्योंकि हम लोग अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 8 महीने बाद मिल रहे हैं। तो होप सो यू हैव लाइक द पर्टिकुलर व्लॉग। कोशिश कीजिए जहाँ जहाँ तक फिल्मा सकूँ फिल्मा लूँ, जहाँ प्रोहिबिटेड है ऑब्वियसली वी हैव टू अबाइड बाय द रूल। सो प्लीज़ डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड स्टे सेफ इन दिस पैंडमिक सिचुएशन। ट्रैवल तभी करें जब ज़रूरी हो। ओके, अब 8 नंबर पिलर के सामने कहा तो था उसने, लेकिन दिख नहीं रहा है वो कहाँ गया यार। चलिए ढूंढते हैं, बाकी आप लोग अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। टेक केयर एंड स्टे सेफ। बाय बाय।
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, can I hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl?